How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. In this video, I will show you the great solution how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your device, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and scroll down, click on storage and go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop also, and now you have to click on appear on top, allow permission here, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another